The people want to know, when are they going to get their sourdough sidekick? So let's talk schedule. One of the biggest benefits of participating in a crowdfund is that backers get the lowest possible price, although they do have to wait until delivery of a product because it doesn't exist yet. And if you've been following along, you know that we have done so much work on each piece of the Sourdough Sidekick, and we are just about to hit the go button on all of the final design. Now, as we get closer to the final manufacturing plan, it also helps to solidify our delivery plan. So with that, I've got news. Hey backers, we are planning to begin deliveries in mid to late March. Now, things can still change, and if you were a backer with a January or February anticipated delivery date, I know you probably just took a really big sigh, and we are right there with you. But we wanted to let you know as soon as possible about what delivery actually looks like. And right now that's looking like beginning mid to late March. Now, here is another benefit of being a crowdfund backer. Well, the first thing is we're gonna get you your units first. The second is we're going to be delivering in order of purchase. That means if you were backer number 20, you're getting yours 20th in line. If you were backer number 4,000, well, it's gonna be just a couple of weeks after we start those deliveries. So here's what you can look forward to next. In a couple of weeks, we're going to have our first prototypes that are made off of the tools that are final, done. So that's gonna be awesome. And then in January, we're going to be reaching out to each of our 4,000 backers to be able to get your address verified. We know that people move, and we do not want to send your sourdough sidekick to an address where you don't live. So make sure to look for that email. We'll update you and let you know here too when that goes out. We hope that you enjoy these almost weekly updates as much as we enjoy giving them. And we're gonna still keep you updated. In fact, let's go check in with the engineering team and see what they're cooking up next.
So the team at FirstBuild is always watching the comments section on YouTube videos and the feedback that we get from our viewers about what they might like to see with Sidekick and some of the things that they'd like to see improved. So we're always taking that feedback into consideration and ways to improve the product, or ways that we might have accessories, or ways for you to customize your sourdough sidekick. One of the comments that we've consistently seen on past videos is being able to handle the crock more easily. It's a glass container, it can be a little bit slick, you gotta wash it, you gotta clean it, so you're always handling it. And this is just a crude prototype, but we are looking at ways where we might be able to incorporate a handle right here on the crock for you to be able to easily handle putting that in and out, as well as cleaning it. Obviously, this is an early prototype. There might be other ways we could do this. It could be a koozie, it could be like a silicone band. That might give opportunities to have different colors and different designs and allow you to customize your crock. So as the engineering team is turning their attention towards production of the sourdough sidekick, we've had some time to experiment with things like this and look at different ideas. So if you have anything that you want to suggest that we take a look at, please let us know. This is a fun opportunity to take those ideas and kind of experiment with them. So let us know, what kind of accessories should we be looking at? How would you like to be able to customize your sourdough sidekick? Is it colors? Is it finishes? Is it certain accessories? So we're still hard at work at getting sourdough sidekick into production, and we're definitely going to explore your ideas after we start production and have a little bit more time to experiment with them. So until then, what do you guys want to see? Let us know, and we're looking forward to reading your comments.
Thank you so much for being on this journey with us. We are having a great time developing Sourdough Sidekick because we get to do it with you. Now, if you have any questions, comments, drop them in the comments below. We read everything and can't wait to show you what else we've got coming up next.